I was a police officer with the city of Orlando, and I was promoted to detective probably within three and a half years of my employment there, which is almost unheard of. So I looked for an opportunity to do something with my investigative skills, my personality, and I guess my desire to win. One of the greatest things about having your own law firm is that you can maintain quality control. We can hand select the cases that we accept, and we can turn down the cases that just wouldn't be viable for either us or the client. And some of the larger firms, they just don't have that time, they don't have that luxury. We represent people. We don't represent corporations. Matter of fact, most of the times when we sue, we're suing corporations, and even when we do sue people, they're really being represented by insurance companies. Every case has its own little nuances, its own little facts. Injuries are different, the cause of the injuries are different. So you get a tailor-made, individually determined case preparation so that at the end we can present that for the best position for settlement negotiations and or trial. So in addition to the personal injury aspect and the insurance claim aspect of our law firm, I've also developed some other areas of expertise. I do some criminal law because of my law enforcement background, and especially as it relates to traffic. So that would be suspended licenses. We get a lot of bikers with wheelie tickets. As a longtime motorcycle rider and an attorney, I was invited to co-author a book on motorcycle litigation. So being a rider with the whole motorcycle attorney concept with 911 biker law, I have a lot more knowledge and information to ask the right questions, and some of the answers just might be the key to the case. We have a very strong, cohesive team atmosphere here. Everybody looks out for one another. Nobody wants anybody to fail, because if we fail, then we failed our clients. So when we're working on a case for 2 and 3 years and we either get it to trial or it settles just before trial, when that happens and you look back at all the work that you did for the last 3 years, you say, you know what, that was worth it. Because now your client can pay their bills. Now your client can go get that surgery that they couldn't afford. Now your client can get the rehabilitation that they need so they can get back to work and get things going. Or to pay off all the bills that they amassed over the years while the insurance company was dragging the case out. So that gives me a sense of pride, gives me a sense of fulfillment. And I didn't necessarily expect that until you start seeing the faces and you start getting the handshakes and the hugs when you're successful. And that just motivates you to come back to work the next day.